guys, it's been a long time of posting. I'm just out in the morning sunshine, just having a walk with the dog. Sun's coming up soon. Just a quick update. I think by the time you see this, it must be would have done a little bit of the first video. We bought a new van. And yeah, I've been away from the channel a fair few years. Just lots of stuff going on, which over the time I'll tell you. It just that I didn't want to post stuff, a lot of personal stuff happening to sort out. It's the start of a new journey, and I hope you can click on my channel and go and watch some new videos. We have a new van. We don't have the old van for camping anymore. This is our new van for new adventures. Go and have a look at our channel, see what it's all about. It's been a mum and daughter, single parent, and about camping life really, about camping and everything. And there is some other videos on there, but yeah, camping life, which will change name. It's going to come back, and we have a new project, we have a new van to do, and it's a new start. And I'll catch up with you all over the next few days. Bye for now.